My name is Thorsten Heller and welcome to Heller's Kitchen, where we're going to share a lot of information, ideas and thoughts how you can drive your digital transformation. Today we focus on spaghetti. Everybody loves spaghetti, but we are talking today about spaghetti integration and spaghetti architecture. As a utility, you don't want to have a spaghetti architecture. And why that? Because we are getting more and more data. We are getting more and more digital processes. We are getting more and more parties involved in the distributed energy system. And the spaghetti architecture is just slowing down our innovation. So as a utility today, using your spaghetti architecture, you typically spend more than 80% of all your efforts and all your money and your resources on just maintaining these integrations. But we want to drive innovation, so we need something new. So when you visit us, we're going to show you the UtiliHive platform. We're going to show you how you can use a modern approach, how you can use an enterprise iPaaS to spend almost 100% of your time on innovating. So stay tuned, because we're going to come back and show you more dishes, but we're going to show you even more technical innovation, how you can drive towards the digital utility. Join us next time in Heller's Kitchen. We're going to show and talk about a healthy way how to monitor and manage your data integrations. And I'm sure you're going to be as excited as I am when I show you and when I talk about the UtiliHive heartbeat and how it drives your digital transformation.